Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now guys, I'm gonna make some green drink medley. Gonna clean and build your immune system, weight loss, alright, detox. Alright guys, good for body repair. Now I'm not gonna put any honey in it because I'm gonna use pineapple, and I have lots of apple here. They were in the freezer. I have lots of ginger, cucumber, celery, and I have some of the star fruit. Okay, I cut them up small, and I have some apples and some spinach and pineapple. So I'm not going to make it too watery, but really rich and nice. Alright, so I'm going to add some pineapple, I'm going to add some ginger and cucumber, celery, star fruit, apples, and then I'm gonna come back and blend the rest. All right, all of it can hold in the blender. Okay, so we're gonna blend this batch first. Oh, I'm gonna squeeze half of lemon. And we're gonna pour some water. I'm gonna see if we can hold a little bit of spinach on top. I think that's good. I hope you can hold the spinach in there. There. And you want to get a spoon and you just want to strain it. All right, look at that goodness. All right guys, I'm going to finish it. It's going to take a little while and then I'll come back. All right my peeps, I'm going to blend a little bit more. And you want to just continue to blend like that until everything is done. I'm gonna put some ice. I'm gonna put some ice in that one too. All right. Woo! Look at that, guys. Now we're gonna pour some in. There you go. I'm gonna pour some over here. Whoops. There you have it. This is what I'm serving up, just like that. All right, and this is my green drink medley. All right, and I have so much stuff in there, guys. Celery, cucumber, apple, ginger, lemon, star fruit, I didn't add any honey. I'm just gonna drink it refreshing and nice, just like this. This is good for weight loss, good for body repair, good to build your immune system. All right, packed with lots of health benefits. So if you want to cleanse your body, cleanse your blood, drink this, guys, and you will never go sick again. All right, you have a good day. Bye, guys. Look at that goodness. Ooh, and look at this, guys. When you have this one, you can just mix it like this. Okay, all right.